Hello friends! Kamusta kayong lahat? Today on this video, I will be sharing with you the most effective spa treatment for acne and pimples. So if you want to get to know more about this video, make sure to keep on watching. But before anything else, hi, my name is JC and I make beauty and skincare videos. And if this interests you, make sure to consider subscribing. And follow nyo na din ako sa aking mga social media platforms so that we can stay in touch. And before I proceed with this video, I have an announcement to make. Ready na ba kayo? I'm officially opening my DMs on Instagram for any beauty and skincare related questions. So if you have any specific questions about makeup, about skincare, or if you have suggestions for future videos, or gusto niyo makipag-chikan sa akin, make sure to send me a DM on Instagram and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So now let's proceed with the video because I'm super excited to share with you some of the acne spot treatment that I have tried, and effective naman sila, pero I want to share with you everything. But that's gonna be a very long video, kaya I'm gonna do this 2 parts. So if you want me to do the part 2, comment down below. So for today, I'm going to share with you the 5 products muna, because if lahat share ko today sa video na ito ay hindi tayo matatapos at sobrang haba ang video na ito. Because alam niyo naman, matalak akis. Pero okay lang yan. More chika-chika tayo. Okay, so, let's start. So these are the products that I'm gonna share with you today. Some might be looking familiar na sa inyo, pero kung hindi pa, stay tuned kasi i-explain ko sa inyo ang aking experience and if i-recommend ko ba talaga sila sa inyo. And depende rin sa type ng acne or pimple, depende sa severity ng case nyo. Kaya make sure to watch this video. Paulit-ulit. Please, watch this video. Huwag nyo na akong iwan. Lagi na akong iniiwan. At least sa video naman ito, magstay na kayo, di ba? So first and foremost, before I discuss these products, discuss muna natin, bakit ba natin kailangan ng spa treatment? Bakit ba natin sila kailangan? Ano bang purpose nila? So first of all, I want to say that a spa treatment is a topical solution. Meaning, it is applied externally sa ating balat. So hindi siya pwedeng i-consume. So it's not an oral solution, okay? So the spa treatment is used to dry up pimples and to heal the ones of the past. Just kidding. To heal acne para naman maging flawless tayo, diba? Kasi we don't want acne and pimples in our lives. So as much as possible, we try our very best para masugpo at matanggal ang mga acne at mga chismis sa mukha natin kasi gusto natin ng clear skin. Yun lang yung gusto natin eh. Pero tutulungan ko kayo ma-achieve yan. So, ang spa treatment is not only used for acne or for pimples. They can also be used for whiteheads and blackheads. Also, spa treatments comes in different forms. My gel, my cream, my oil. So, by sharing with you the spa treatments that I have used in the past, I get to give you options depending on your preference, on your buying capability, on your budget, kung ano ba talaga ang swak para sa iyo. And I think the most important thing na maririnig mo sa video na ito is this. Okay. Anyone who has acne-prone skin, if you have an acne-prone skin, listen. Please, do not rely the healing of your acne sa sabon, sa facial wash, sa toner, sa moisturizer. Your acne will not solely go away and heal by using those products. So you need to use a spa treatment. Kasi, di ba, treatment nga. So it's gonna treat your acne para mapawala ang existing acne mo and at the same time, ma-prevent ang mga future breakouts. So the spa treatment will actually heal, dry up the pimples para hindi na mas magtawag pa na maraming pimples sa mukha mo. So basically, parang ganun yun. Kaya naman, if nagkakaroon ka ng acne breakouts and you're only using soap or you're only using toner or a moisturizer, it's not gonna solve the problem by itself. So kailangan mong gumamit ng spot treatment. So ganito yun kahalaga. Kaya naman ako, bilang meron akong acne-prone skin and I also have oily skin and kind of sensitive skin, I've tried so many, I'm telling you, so many spot treatments para malaman ko din kung ano yung mga differences nila and para ma-share ko din kung ano ang best para sa iyo depending then sa budget, because today we're gonna go from the most inexpensive tapos dun sa medyo mas mahal. So, kaya naman sa mga budgetarian dyan, I got you. Okay, so today, I'm going to di naman judge, but I'm gonna let you know my thoughts about each product based on their first price, second, in yung efficacy, if it's effective, and third is my overall review and if kung kanino ko siya i-recommend. Kasi depende pa rin yun kung gaano ka-severe ang inyong acne or yung condition mo. So by doing that, you get to evaluate kung ano ba talaga ang product na best for you. Parang sa relationship lang yan, di ba? Bago mo jowain, evaluate mo muna. Compatibility test muna, wag yung sunggab ng sunggab, di ba? Kasi pag ganun yung ginawa mo, tapos mapapasubo ka lang pala, hindi pa talaga kayo match. So, best na test mo muna yung compatibility. Ang daming sinasabi. Kaya mag-start tayo sa ating first product bago pa mabore ang mga nanunood. Talaga naman, oo. So first is this. So this is the Sunning Cream. This is a keratolytic anti-acne medicated cream. So this cream contains 2 grams of sulfur. So ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Cream type. So honestly, para siyang Mena. If you're familiar with the Mena cream, ganito ko siya mahahambing. Even the smell, amoy Mena cream siya. Kasi before, nung bata pa ako, my mom and my sister used to use that on their faces. So sulfur, I'm pretty sure na narinig mo na ang sulfur. So sulfur is very gentle on the skin. So by applying this on the affected area, it's going to dry out the surface of the skin and it's going to absorb the excess oil. Also, it dries up yung mga dead skin cells natin sa ating balat, which can help para malinis ang ating mga pores. I have tried using this and I must say that this one is best to be used for like whiteheads and blackheads, but not really on like acne. Lalo na if inflamed or severe yung acne mo, this one is not gonna help that much. This one is best for those people who has fungal acne. So if you want to get to know more information about fungal acne, I'm gonna put the link of my video in the description box below. So yung fungal acne is yung parang mga butlig-butlig, all of a sudden lalabas siya sa iyong face. So the best itong product na ito because really it helps to unclog the pores para mas malinis ang pores. Okay, now, so let's evaluate this. So first is yung price. The price is less than like 50 pesos. Sobrang mura. And you can buy this from Mercury Drugs. As for the efficacy, personally, my pimples are very inflamed and I tend to get cystic acne. So this one didn't help that much in my condition. But nakatulong siya sa mga butlig-butlig sa face na hindi naman talaga siya parang acne, parang mga whiteheads and mga blackheads. So nakatulong siya sa aking face but it didn't really help me to get rid talaga dun sa mga cystic or mga inflamed na mga acne. Overall, I would recommend this if you don't really suffer from acne. Like, this can be used as a first aid for those who have whiteheads, blackheads na hindi mo ma-figure out kung paano tanggalin. So, this one is very effective doon sa case na yon. Plus, it is very gentle and mura lang niya. So, go ahead, try this Sunning Sulfur medicated cream. So the next product that I'm going to share with you is this Defensyl Pimple Defense Cream. So this product claims to have tri-active formula. So it says here that it helps to heal pimples and soothe irritated and inflamed skin while controlling excess surface oil. It also helps lighten dark spots and pimple marks for a clearer and brighter complexion. So it doesn't only help you to get rid of the acne, but it also helps to get rid of the mark that's gonna leave. So, yun yung claims niya. So, as I go through the ingredients, I don't see any ingredient na sobrang common na ginagamit for spa treatments. So, medyo nagulat ako. Pero meron ditong tatlo. First is Purple Viper's Bug Glass, which is a moisturizing agent. Next is Balloon Vine, which is an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. The last one is the sunflower oil. Ito na yung familiar ako, which is rich in vitamin E, and we all know that vitamin E is an antioxidant, so it's very good for the skin. When I tried this product, I didn't like it that much because it didn't help so much. Parang wala siyang nagawa masyado. Pero what I like about this is that it is very moisturizing. So I feel like this product is best if you have combination skin and you get like occasional acne lang. As for the price, it is less than 200 pesos. So personally, for me, that's still inexpensive. I like the fact that it is balanced. So unlike other spot treatments that can dry out the skin, this one can heal your acne and at the same time moisturize the surface. So bongga to. Next naman is from Quick FX, this pimple eraser. This product is less than 200 pesos, really inexpensive, and I've used this for years. Ang tagal ko na itong ginagamit. So this product is very powerful. It has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, Defensil, vitamin C, and niacinamide. So meron siya nung Defensil. But this is much more powerful because it has AHA, BHA, vitamin C, niacinamide. So sabi dito, the benefits of using the product daw, it helps to dry up pimples, helps diminish and reduce dark spots due to scarring, helps protect skin against the sun. So may sun protection. It has ingredients that I know for a fact that could really help you to really improve your skin, especially if you have acne-prone skin. I can really say that this one is really effective. But the way that I use it is that I don't just put this on the spot where I have acne. I put this all over my face. Like literally all over my face. Parang moisturizer siya. So, depende sa'yo. But for me, yun yung effective. And don't be scared to do that. Kasi it's very moisturizing. It's not gonna dry out your skin. And I have oily skin pero nag-work pa rin siya. So maganda siyang gamitin na parang acne cream sa gabi because moisturizing siya but at the same time it is exfoliating. But the only issue I have with this is that it can dry out acne, yung mga inflamed and yung mga severe na acne, mga cystic acne, it can do that. But it takes a while bago talaga totally ma-dry. But it does a job. It's just that medyo hindi lang ganoon kabilis. So this product has two actives, may glycolic acid and salicylic acid. So the glycolic acid exfoliates the surface of the skin. This one also has salicylic acid, which is also an exfoliating agent, but it goes deep down the skin. And next is Defensil. Parang moisturizing agent lang siya dito. And then it has vitamin C. We all know what vitamin C is. It is an antioxidant and it can brighten up the complexion and can lighten up dark spots. And next is meron siyang niacinamide, which is good for evening out the skin, anti-inflammatory. For me, I can say that this product is an all-in-one product. Lahat na nasa kanya, ikaw na lang ang kulang. Also, what I like the most about this product is that it is balanced. So it has ingredients that can treat acne, but it moisturizes the skin. Kasi yung mga ingredients na meron dito, which can treat your acne, can be drying. So now let's evaluate this product. As for the price, it is really inexpensive. It is less than 200 pesos. Merong nabibili nung nasa sachet, mas mura yon. So kung gusto nyo munang i-try, pwedeng yun muna yung bilhin nyo. As for the efficacy, for me, effective naman siya. Although it takes a while before it heals yung mga cystic and inflamed acne. That's the job naman. So if you're gonna use this, I suggest na gamitin nyo siya all over the face as an acne cream. Maganda to. Go ahead, try this, guys. So the next product that I'm gonna share with you is one of the products na, grabe, favorite ko. And I've been using this for years now. Parang, I don't use this product continuously, but I go to this product from time to time kapag nagkakaroon talaga ako ng severe acne and breakout. So this is the Benzac AC. So this is a benzoyl peroxide. So if you're not familiar with benzoyl peroxide, so benzoyl peroxide is the most effective acne treatment in the whole wide world. As in, kapag na-try mo na lahat ng acne treatments at wala na talagang gumana, benzoyl peroxide na talaga ang magsasalba sa'yo. So benzoyl peroxide works kind of the same way as AHA and BHA, but this one is for acne na sobrang severe na ng case. Although this can have a side effect, medyo magiging drying siya for some or medyo magiging aggressive siya sa balat, magkakaroon ka ng redness, especially if you have dry skin. Though you can still use this naman if you have dry skin. Basta promise me that you're gonna moisturize because it's gonna dry out your skin, medyo mag-redness. Pero assure you that this one is bomb.com. This one is gonna save you. Okay, this is the salvation. Salvation from acne. So, ano bang ganap ni benzoyl peroxide? Paano ba siya nakaka-cure ng acne? So, benzoyl peroxide, when applied to the skin, it releases oxygen that kills bacteria or acne-causing bacteria sa skin. So, what's good about benzoyl peroxide is that it actually kills the root of the problem and it prevents future breakouts. Also, benzoyl peroxide comes in three na strengths. So, merong 2.5%, may 5%, and may 10%. So, this one is 5%. So, if you're gonna ask me, ano bang perfect para sa akin? So, according to most dermatologists, so if you have mild to moderate acne, 2.5% is good for you. If you have stubborn acne, 5% is good for you. And if you have a very severe, as in sobrang lala talaga na acne, then 10% is the one that is recommended for you to use. But, of course, prepared ako. A study was made in 1986 wherein they tested the effectivity of different volume or strength ng benzoyl peroxide, 2.5, 5%, and 10%. And nalaman nila sa study na yon na they are all equally. So sa study na yon, nalaman nila na the 2.5% benzoyl peroxide is as effective as the 5% benzoyl peroxide, and the 5% benzoyl peroxide is as effective as the 10% benzoyl peroxide. So the percentage of benzoyl peroxide will depend on how your skin reacts, and also depende din kung gaano kakatagal na ba gumagamit ng benzoyl peroxide. When applying this product, make sure na onti lang and dun lang mismo sa affected area, because just like what I mentioned earlier, it can be really drying. Kaya tandaan nyo, if you're going to apply this, onti-onti lang, okay? Hindi lahat ng sobra maganda para sa'yo. Now let's evaluate. As for the price, it's kind of expensive. I think for 15 grams, this is like 300 plus pesos. So medyo mahal siya. As for the efficacy, this one is really effective. It really works. Siguro it can dry pimples, like inflamed pimples, like mga after 2 to 3 days. And overall, I would suggest this for those people who has like severe acne talaga, and kung nagbe-break out ka talaga ng malala, this one is the answer. Okay, and last but not the least is this tea tree oil. This product is from The Body Shop. This is $495. So this is the most expensive out of all the spa treatments that I've shared with you today. So tea tree oil is not only good in treating acne, but it also has other uses. So this can be a disinfecting agent, pwede rin siyang gamitin sa buhok if you have dandruff. So marami siyang gamit. So there was a study conducted at sabi sa study na yon na tea tree oil is as effective as benzoyl peroxide and as effective as salicylic acid in treating acne. Kumbaga, tea tree oil is a substitute to benzoyl peroxide. Lalo na if you have a dry skin and you don't want to experience the drying and the redness that benzoyl peroxide can cause you. And one of the benefits of tea tree oil is that it can also calm the skin. So paano ba nakaka-dry? Paano ba nakaka-heal ng pimple ang tea tree oil? So tea tree oil has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties. But I want to say that you should be very careful in using this, because if you're gonna use too much, it can cause you to sensitize with the product. So, kung gagamitin mo siya as spa treatment, make sure to use super onti lang na product dun lang sa surface kung saan kailangan. Just like benzoyl peroxide. So now let's evaluate this product. As for the price, it's kinda expensive, but there are other tea tree oil na mabibili naman. But then, I wanna say that be careful ha, kasi depende pa rin yun sa concentration ng oil. So, don't use like 100% pure tea tree oil as a spa treatment. This one is made to really be used as a spa treatment from The Body Shop. So, if you're gonna buy, I suggest you buy from The Body Shop. Also, they have a line full of tea tree oil. I'm telling you, tea tree oil is really like isa sa mga components na laging nasa ingredient list ng mga anti-acne na mga products. So I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with this product. As for the efficacy, this one is effective. It dries up pimples. As in, pagkagising mo sa umaga, dry talaga agad ng pimple. Kaso lang, the problem that I have with this, medyo nag-relieve siya ng mark at ang itim ng mark. I don't like that. Pero effective siya. If meron kang stubborn pimple na ayaw talaga matuyo, go ahead, try this. This one is really effective. And that ends our spot treatment for acne and pimples recommendation video. So if you have any questions, if you have any clarifications about these products, just like what I told you earlier, my DM and Instagram is open. So make sure to message me. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, make sure to like this video. Kung may natutunan kayo, sana may natutunan kayo. And I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. What are the products that you have tried from the products that I mentioned? And if meron kayong mga products na na-try na and you want to suggest sa akin, comment down below, okay? Keep the comments coming. Also, if you want to support me, if you want to be with me on this journey, and kung gusto mo pa makakita ng videos from me, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I want to get to know you as well. So go ahead, follow me on my social media platforms. I'll see you on my next video. God bless everybody. Keep safe. Mwah.